Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. If you are returning to the channel, I really appreciate you being here. And if you are new, thank you so much for coming by and I hope you'll want to stay. I have today Causebox. Let's not pretend like we haven't been waiting for this forever, people. Let's get in here. So we have waited quite some time for this box. They call it a winter box and here we are in winter. So in all fairness, it is a winter box. That said, I went back just to check and see when I put last year's winter box up, and I uploaded it on December 14th, which means this is almost a full month later this year. It's okay with me. I had a couple things in here I was going to use as Christmas presents, but things happen. I like the box. Causebox is a lifestyle box. It is $54.95 per month or $49.95 if you sign up annually. It arrives 4 times a year seasonally, and it's a seasonal exclusive, ethically minded lifestyle box. They say they are the lifestyle box that does good. They work with companies that give back in some way, that do something environmentally safe, that reach out and employ people that wouldn't necessarily be employed. They do a lot of it overseas. They just had a whole thing on their story about one of the girls who was in charge of the company went to India and they met with a lot of the people that they work with over there. They do things that they hope make the world a better place. So this just literally arrived on my doorstep. So let's open it up. And that is what it looks like on the inside. We have paperwork, and this is what the inside looks like. I am an annual member, so I did get to make 5 selections. I think it was 5. You know what? It's been so long, I don't even remember this season. But I think we got to make 5 choices as annual members this time. It says, a note about your winter box. We always strive to choose partners with the utmost commitment to quality. This season, DermaE proactively identified an unexpected production issue, and rather than risk sending you a less than perfect product, we've worked to replace a portion of DermaE's moisturizing night creams with the comparable high-quality favorites from the DermaE line. You can learn more about the replacement on the back of this card. And they have replaced it with the Radiance Brightening Night Cream. Now, I'm sure to most people, that doesn't even begin to make a little bit of a difference. The Radiance Brightening Cream, I believe, is a vitamin C product, which I can't use, but that's okay. I'll find it a good home. This is the booklet that we get with it. And on the inside, they tell us generally stories about all of the companies that they send the products from, and we have a little list of what should be in the box. So let's just dig in and see what's in here. We have right on top a postcard. Ooh, I got 2. Same postcard. They must have just accidentally grabbed 2. And it says, and if you look closely, you will see hope is close, love is near, and kindness can be found in all seasons. That is really a thoughtful statement. I like that a lot. Okay. Since we know that one product, let's just dig in and look at it. It is the DermaE Radiance Brightening Night Cream. And that is that. And our new card says, this skin brightening antioxidant nighttime formula helps reduce the look of discoloration and age damage. It works overnight to brighten and smooth complexion with alpha-arbutin and vitamin A. Those of you who watch my channel know I have a fairly small list of products that I won't use, but 2 of them are retinol palmitate and licorice, and they are in this product. So we're not going to sample it. We're going to set it aside for a giveaway. When we open up the box, I'll show you guys that this is what the packaging looks like. So it's lovely, and it's a full-size package, and like I've said, I'm sure most people will be thrilled to receive it. It has a $29.95 value, just like the Hydrating Night Cream did. That's our first product. Reaching in next, and I chose this, in all fairness, I chose it at Christmas time because it was going to be a gift, but I'll set it aside. The holidays will come again. This is a travel jewelry set, and I don't know, for those of you who have watched my channel, you probably know I wear a lot of the same jewelry. I love David Yurman, so I have some earrings and a ring of his and then my wedding set. So I don't do a lot of changing for especially when I travel. Sometimes around here I'll use a little bit of costume, but this will be a beautiful gift for someone. Okay, and it is from Samara, and this is what it looks like up close, and it's a jewelry travel case, and it just unzips. And that's what it looks like on the inside. It's very pretty. So you have places up here where you can hook your necklaces and then let them fall into the little pocket. There's a plenty of ring space. So it has a lot of places that you could put jewelry in. So that's kind of nice. And this says that the Luxe Jewelry Box has a $42 value and is a vegan leather jewelry organizer with the most beautiful give back story. Perfect for home or travel. And our other choices with this selection, like I said, I selected this because it was going to be a gift, were Artisan Direct Gold Serving Spoons or the Sizu Cozy Convertible Mittens. And they have so graciously put a picture right here where it shows the 3 options that you had. So that's kind of nice. I feel very happy with the quality of this. I had read a couple of things online where people had received them and like the stamping on it had been a little crooked or something, but mine is perfect and I would happily give this as a gift. Okay, reaching in next, I have a product that everyone received, and it's Whitney Kearney set of 2 mugs. And this is what this looks like. That's what the box looks like. Let's open it and see what the mugs look like. Although, I thought it was interesting that they do mugs. Let me know below what you think about mugs being in a box. I don't know about you guys, and maybe younger people don't have this problem, but I have 1,000, maybe 1,000,000 mugs. I seem to collect mugs, and I just think it's an interesting choice. That said, it's a beautiful mug. It's pink. It's a very pretty pink, and it's kind of a stoneware, and it's just a really nice little mug. I mean, it's almost big enough like you could use it for soup. So we get a pink one, and then this one is kind of creamy, and it has almost like mustard lining through it that makes it kind of look like a tree. So they are very pretty, but I have a lot of mugs. This actually would make a really nice gift with one of my Sips By boxes. Speaking of which, I don't know in what order I'm putting them up, but I just did a Sips By, and that is a ginger peach tea that is fantastic. This says, these gorgeous mugs were hand illustrated by Florida-based artist Whitney Kearney and exclusively shaped and sculpted from the bottom up. Would it not be difficult to make a mug from the top down? That would be difficult. Proceeds from this product support Hubbard House and their efforts to save and change the lives of victims of domestic violence. So that's the kind of products that Causebox gets involved with, and that's part of the reason I love this box so much. And the book says that they have a $35 value. Okay, reaching in next, I have, and I haven't seen anybody yet that made this choice. I chose the Barrettes. Now, again, back to the Christmas story. Part of the reason I chose the Barrettes is my husband and I had a very nice gala that we went to, but it was a 1920s theme, but I did not fully get involved in the whole 1920s theme of it. But I had thought that this, because I made my hair kind of really curly, I had thought that this kind of over here to the side, oh, I just hit the box, would be a really nice look. Of course, that gala was a month ago. Let me tell you a little bit about these, and then I'm going to take one off and see if I can use it. This is a holiday, maybe they meant Valentine's Day, hair clip set. A set of 2 classic hair clips handmade in France and Italy out of premium materials, $31. And my choice was either this or mix and match stud earrings. So that is this picture. And these are the stud earrings I could have had, which I never wear stud earrings. Or these. So let's see if I can put this in my hair. Just 'cause. One of the problems that I have sometimes when I put barrettes in my hair is I have really, really fine, thin hair. And even if I can get it in, hoping, oh yeah, it's sliding already. Do you see that? Ooh. Yeah, so it's going to take a lot of stuff in my hair to make it stay. And then I thought that this bottom one for in the summer, sometimes I pull my hair back like this just to clip across the top. I thought it would be perfect for that. Next, I have, this is a big guy. This was also a gift. Yes, as you can see, I was using this box for a lot of gifts. This is the blanket. We all got to choose a blanket. Our choices this time were in color. And these are the two blankets. And I chose this one. I'm not going to take it all out of the packaging because I have about 1,000 blankets and I just opened that nice furry one from my FabFitFun box that is so soft and nice. But I chose this one because the person I was purchasing it for has a very cream living room and I knew she'd love the pom-poms. But I have seen this one also and it is gorgeous. It's not really a slate gray like they call it. It's more of a cream, but it's so pretty. And these are Imani Collective woven throw blankets. And I chose, like I said, in cream. A gorgeous heavyweight throw, lovingly loomed and hand finished by artisans in Jaipur, India. $120 value. So we're going to open this up. Oh, and the pom-poms. The pom-poms are nice and loosey-goosey and all fluffy. The throw, it doesn't feel like one that I would like wrap myself up in the evening when I'm just sitting down there watching television. This feels more like the type of throw that you would put across the back of a sofa because it looks very nice. Or, yeah, something like that. This is definitely not the feel of something I would choose to wrap up in. It has a real cottony, almost kind of like, I want to say like a Turkish towel. You know how sometimes when you first get a Turkish towel and they're a little stiff and the cotton feel? That's what this kind of feels like to me. But it is a very nice blanket that I am not going to unwrap because I may still want it for a gift. But that is what it looks like. So you can see that it's cream. And these are just darker beige stripes. And then there are balls at the four corners. And last but not least, and this was a choice also, I chose the Daily Hair Vitamin from Vitam. And the box is nice and sealed, but we're getting in it because I will definitely use the heck out of this. So this is what that looks like. And it came with the bottle and the pump you put in it and its own little comb. So that's kind of fun. Let's read about it. The Vitam Daily Hair Vitamin is a vegan, cruelty-free multitasking hair product that does the work of a mask, a serum, and a hot oil. $30 value. So that is what I chose. If you did not choose this, you could have had a 4-in-1 correcting primer from Pure, a primer made from aloe, coconut water, or probiotics, and it had a $34 value. And these are those two products, and this is the one I selected. And it's 4 fluid ounces. Let's open it. It's sealed. Yay. But let's go ahead and get in here because this is something I am definitely going to use. The directions say apply to wet hair directly after cleansing and conditioning. Depending on your hair length, dispense 1 to 3 pumps. Rub your hands together and work it into your hair. Start with the ends and work your way up. I pretty much don't ever go past like right here because my hair wants to be oily. I have to wash. I choose to wash almost every day. I do give it a break periodically, but not too often. Not often enough, actually, truth be told, because as you can tell, I'm sure in this video, now that I've messed with my hair with those barrettes, I have a lot of broken pieces. Oh, it's a cream. I just poked this through, figured it was the easiest way to deal with it, and expected an oil to come out of there, and no, it is indeed a cream. That is what it looks like. It's just a nice little white cream. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh, I definitely want my hair to smell like that. That smells really nice. I like it. It's just kind of clean, lightly floral maybe. Feels a little bit greasy, but I guess that's what actually protects your hair. Yes, I like that very much. All right, guys, so that is it for my winter Causebox that I received in January of 2020. But like I said, it's still winter. Did I make choices based on the fact that we received it on December 14th last year and I thought probably that's when we would get it this year? Yeah, I did. I might have made a couple of different choices had I not been. If I had known that I was going to keep this blanket, I might have gone for the gray because I do have gray in my living room. I might have, instead of picking these barrettes, which I kind of picked to go to the gala, I might have gotten the studs for my granddaughter. it doesn't matter. It's little things that I might have done differently if I had known, but next year I will be aware. I will, in all fairness, I will not count on them for Christmas gifts again next year because it didn't work. And that's okay, because you know what? I don't think they ever promised that it would. I think that it was assumptions that were made because the year before, like I said, I was posting it on December 14th, which means I probably received it a day or two before that. So it was just our assumptions that we would receive it at that same time again this year. But I still, for $54.95, and like I said, $49.95 if you sign up annually, this is a really great array of products. So just for the record, I just noticed this back page and it says Impact Roundup. And what it says is every product in Causebox gives back and does good. Here are just a few of the ways the winter box is making a difference. The Throw Blanket ethically employed 195 artisans in Jaipur, India for 4 months and allowed their partnering co-op to continue challenging social norms by creating meaningful work opportunities for women in their community. The gold silver spoons, which I didn't select and now I kind of wish I had, the production of those spoons ethically employed 150 artisans, and the packaging was developed out of recycled cotton that would have otherwise gone to the landfill. The 2 mugs by Whitney Kearney, I told you guys about that. It is an exclusive collaboration and was made to support the Hubbard House and their effort to save and change the lives of survivors of domestic abuse. And the Cozy Convertible Mittens, which I also didn't choose, they feature polyester made out of recycled plastic through an innovative process that cleans and breaks down plastic before weaving it into a soft, durable yarn. They are creating a gorgeous and environmentally conscious fabric. So that is just some of the ways that they do good with this product and part of the reason I love this box so much. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I really appreciate it. If you have any interest at all in the Causebox, I have my link below. You should get $10 off your first box. Be sure that you do if you sign up. I really enjoy this box. I get good gifts out of it. I have things for a giveaway out of it. I have things for me in it. So it just works for me. Thank you again. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you guys really soon.